This is the last time you'll ever hear it NA. That's right, you heard me right. Today we are going to be slapping a Paxton Supercharger on this beast right here. So this is the last time you're going to hear and see this thing NA. It is time to finally live that boost life. Too many fucking boxes. Got the SI packed. Get it. Woo. It's a lot of shit, man. Alright, so we disconnected the battery. Don't be dumb like me and leave it. Intake's out. And now we're gonna disconnect the fuel line. Watch it just spray everywhere. I'm scared. I'm scared too. Oh, there it goes. It's only a little bit. Not that much. Squirt everywhere.
Say you want me to pretend like I'm putting the lube on it again?
No, fuck that. Lube that O-ring.
Oh yeah, daddy?
Oh yeah? That's super lube.
Trying to be cautious with it so I don't sit there and waste it.
Gotta super lube everything. And then we're gonna take this barrel and put it on that bitch. Alright, so once this is done, this is the back of the car, this is the front of the car. Gonna lube up the plug that it comes with. Gotta lube everything. And then you're gonna install it on the side. Right there.
Complete difference, but...
Alright, so this is how the regulator will look once it's fully done. Got that.
Since you guys are both mechanics, you want me to record?
Yeah, you want to, bud? Here.
That was a lot easiser than I thought.
Oh, it came up? I tried to put a little bit of pressure to it, and then it didn't want to, like, pop up.
Make myself useful. Over here twiddling my thumbs.
Side needs to pop up.
It's just a bolt zip tied in the back, it looks like, too.
Ah, you're good.
It needs to clean.
Hell yeah. Oh, God. Oh, God.
Still not as bad as Angel's.
Well, there's no rats in there, so.
You can stop recording,
What
bro.
do you mean? There was. You.
So tall.
Oh, shit. That thing sits hella high up.
You can put this hose on after we put
Yeah.
the rails down. We'll push it
Alright,
down.
we got all the fuel rails and injectors set up.
There it goes.
There's a Christmas tree one right here.
Oh, there it goes.
Okay.
There's little rocks in it.
Fuel line!
Oh, you gonna save your rocks?
Hell yeah.
Nice.
Knew I was right, motherfucker. Why you say sorry to me, Poppy?
That boy fucking, the way he used his terminology where he put the arrow on it saying that like the flow is gonna go that way is what fucked it up. That boy's goofy for saying that way.
Is that loosening it? No? That's tightening it.
Yeah, it's tightening it, it's just not going fast.
We'll leave it like that for now.
Yeah, we'll tighten everything else after.
Let's get it up. And then I think we have to drop
The fuel tank.
This is Phase Ed Music.
Cut as close to those as possible. Cut these off.
Big ass wire.
Oh, yeah. I was worried that like 10 to 15 gauge was like, or 14 gauge wasn't going to be big enough, but I'm sure it should be.
Definitely big enough. I think these just, they're not even that big either.
Expose a little bit more of these so they can be twisted together. Put the powers together first. That should be good.
Put the heat shrink over it.
Yeah, I can do it after, before I clip the other one. Cool, so we're good on that part. I can put,
Come on this side.
yeah, I was like, where do I clamp them again? I was like looking around, like confused for a second. Cool. So both of those are good there now.
Red to blue, black to black.
Nothing's going anywhere. Those. There we go. Look, OEM.
You know, red to blue. Oh yeah, enough.
I'm colorblind.
It definitely feels way heavier because it's two fans.
Yeah.
Because of the motors.
It's not about weight savings, it's about room saving for this shit. We could zip tie that out of the way after we install everything. But yeah, you can see how much room this shit saves compared to the stock fan. The cool thing, it still keeps the high and the low speed on the fans too, since we tapped into the stock shit.
Used to do.
So with the top hose, you just want to snip it in the hole. Just leave it on.
Yeah, I'm strong enough.
Just don't cut the hose.
My fingers are delicate and it hurts.
Oh no. Save me, Rodney.
I think I got it.
Pull it, pull it, pull it. And then they give you a clamp that you just put on that spot.
You want a bracelet?
Fuck no, that's just gonna hurt.
It's gonna get stuck. It's gonna get stuck. You ain't gonna be able to get it off.
So just be careful when you're cutting it off so you don't cut the hose. And then that goes right there. Nobody really explains this shit in videos, so yeah, that's what you do. And then we're gonna take the coolant hose, the top one that goes from the radiator all the way to the car. You're gonna want to cut it right here, 2 inches from right here. Cut. We're just gonna extend everything, so we're just gonna make it bigger. This is the hose I'm talking about that goes from the thermostat housing to your radiator. So we're just gonna cut this and extend it, because you're gonna want it to run down lower to clear all the tubing. So you'll cut it right here, you'll put this in, it will extend it down, and then you'll come over. This will go here into this one, which will run up higher and just get you a longer coolant hose. Dude, that went right past my face.
Where'd it go? That was a brand new blade.
Oh, fucking damn near in the box. I heard it hit somewhere over here.
So
I can't. Oh, right here. Ugh. Alright, so from the coolant right here, you want to cut it about right here. Put the little connectors into them, run the new pipe that they give you all the way up to the T, and you're going to use part of the old pipe too. So you have old pipe, new pipe. This connects right here too with another one of the connectors, goes to the T. This one runs down below the manifold to this right here, and then you can see this one is just rerouted. And then this coolant hose right here is down here, goes down. They give you a whole new one. You just run it through here into this part, and yeah, done with the coolant.
Perfect.
If you guys have made it this far into the video, I appreciate it so much. It means the world to me. I know I've been slacking with content. I've just had a lot of issues with this car lately, and it's one thing after the other. It's been giving me issue after issue, but everything is ironed out. And as you can see, it is no longer NA anymore. I finally decided to throw the Supercharger on that I've had for too long, sitting in storage. So my boy and me threw it on. As you can see, it's not like a step-by-step install video. It's just us going through it, showing pieces here and there. I didn't want to do a step-by-step video on this because there's plenty out there, and I just wanted to show the process of us doing it, having fun with it. And yeah, my car is no longer NA, it is supercharged now, and there's so much more content to come. So if you guys want to see the content, hit the subscribe button and make sure you turn on the notification. And yeah, I'm going to be trying to post at least once a week or once every other week. Not a guarantee, but I'm going to try. I'm going to try to bring you guys a lot of content. Now that the car is supercharged, it's going to be a lot more fun, and I'm excited to bring new content. And this is just the beginning, it's like a whole new car. So I appreciate you guys for sticking around. I know I've been slacking on the content. You can follow me over on TikTok too. I'm going to be having content over there. So yeah, like I said, just please hit the subscribe button, like, comment, hit that notification bell, so whenever I post, you guys are notified. But that's it for this video. Next video will be everything after the install. So I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.